Have you ever thought building an iPhone app with AI would be easy? I definitely did. I had already used AI tools before. I knew ChatGPT could generate ideas in seconds, and I assumed creating an app would be as simple as clicking a few buttons and watching everything magically come together. But reality looked very different. Instead of launching an app in a weekend, many beginners end up spending days trying to understand Xcode, watching confusing coding tutorials, and getting stuck before they even build their first screen. The good news? It doesn't have to be that way. Over the last year, AI-powered app builders have completely changed the process. Many creators, freelancers, entrepreneurs, and complete beginners are now building functional apps without learning traditional coding first. So if you want to create your own iPhone app faster, smarter, and with a lot less frustration, here are the 3 biggest lessons that can help you go from idea to working app much faster. And yes, we're going to use ChatGPT and Base44 to make the entire process dramatically easier. The link to Base44 is in the description if you'd like to follow along. So let's jump right into step 1. Plan your app with ChatGPT before you build anything. Before you touch a design tool, before you create screens, and definitely before you start adding features, you need a plan. This is where most beginners accidentally make things harder than they need to be. Many people open an app builder and immediately start designing buttons, colors, and layouts. However, without a clear plan, it's easy to waste hours creating screens you'll eventually delete. Instead, let ChatGPT help you organize your idea first. For example, imagine you want to build a habit tracker app. Rather than guessing what pages you need, open ChatGPT and type, "Help me plan an iPhone app for habit tracking. What features should it have and what screens do I need?" Within seconds, ChatGPT can generate a complete app structure. You might receive suggestions like home screen ad, habit, screen progress, dashboard settings, page reminder system, streak tracking, weekly reports. Suddenly what felt confusing becomes crystal clear. And this is exactly why planning first saves so much time later. Once ChatGPT gives you a feature list, review everything and keep only the features you actually need. Remember, simple apps usually get finished faster than complicated apps. A common mistake beginners make is trying to build 10 features on day one. Instead, focus on one core problem your app solves. For example, a fitness app helps users track workouts. A budgeting app helps users track expenses. A habit app helps users build consistency. The simpler the goal, the faster you'll launch. Now that you have a clear plan, it's time to turn that plan into a real project. Head over to Base44. Create an account. Log in. Then click Create New App. Choose Mobile App as your project type. Give your project a name. And then select a template that closely matches your idea. If you don't find a perfect template, don't worry. You can start from scratch too. Here's something many beginners don't realize. Templates are not permanent. You can customize almost everything later. That means you don't need to spend hours searching for the perfect starting point. Just choose something close enough and keep moving forward. Progress beats perfection every single time. And now comes the really exciting part. Instead of manually building every screen yourself, you're going to let AI do a huge portion of the work. Step 2. Use Base44's AI to design and build your AP. Now that your app idea is organized, it's time to bring it to life. And honestly, this is where things start feeling almost magical. Traditional app development often requires design software, coding knowledge, testing frameworks, and countless tutorials. With AI-assisted app building, the process becomes much more approachable. Inside Base44, click on Add Screen, or choose an existing screen you want to modify. Then open the AI Design or AI Assistant feature. This is where your ChatGPT plan becomes incredibly valuable. Simply copy the app outline you created earlier and paste it into the AI Assistant. For example, you could write, "Create a habit tracker home screen with daily tasks, a streak counter, motivational messages, and a weekly progress chart." Within moments, the AI can generate a working layout. You'll often get buttons, text sections, visual elements, and sample content automatically placed for you. As a result, you're not staring at a blank screen wondering where to begin. Instead, you're improving something that already exists, and psychologically, that's much easier. Now, let's make the design even better. If something doesn't look right, simply tell the AI what you want changed. For example, make the design more modern. Use softer colors. Add a dark mode option. Create larger buttons. Add swipe navigation. Include push notifications. The AI can help implement many of these features without requiring complicated technical knowledge. This is one of the biggest productivity advantages of AI-assisted development. You're spending more time making decisions and less time fighting with software. Many successful creators follow a simple workflow. Ask AI for ideas. Ask AI for a design. Review the results. Make improvements. Repeat. This cycle can dramatically reduce development time. Another helpful tip is to test frequently. Don't wait until the app is completely finished. Build one screen, preview it, make improvements, then move on to the next screen. Small improvements compound quickly, and before you know it, you'll have something that actually feels like a real product. Meanwhile, Base44 can also help you implement mobile-friendly experiences that users expect from modern iPhone apps. Things like dark mode support, touch-friendly navigation, responsive layouts, notifications, swipe interactions. and other mobile-focused features. Simply describe what you want. Then let the AI assist with the implementation. At this point, your app is beginning to look real, which brings us to the final step, getting your app into people's hands. Step 3. Test, publish, and share your app. This is where many beginners expect a complicated process. Fortunately, modern app building platforms have made publishing much easier. First, use the preview mode to test your app. Click every button, open every screen, try every feature. Pretend you're a first-time user. If something feels confusing, fix it. If something feels unnecessary, remove it. Remember, simplicity often creates a better user experience. After testing, you're ready to publish. Inside Base44, click the Publish button. Next, choose your privacy settings. You can keep the app private while testing, or make it public if you're ready to share it. Once published, you'll receive a link and a QR code. This is where things get exciting. People can instantly access your app without waiting months for development. Share your link with friends. Share it with family. Share it with potential clients. Share it on social media. Collect feedback. Then continue improving. One of the biggest advantages of modern AI-powered app builders is flexibility. Your first version does not need to be perfect. In fact, most successful apps improve through multiple updates. If users request a feature, add it later. If you discover a better design, update it later. If you want to change the branding, update it later. Simply edit your project and publish again. Many creators are surprised by how quickly they can iterate compared to traditional development workflows. And because Base44 automatically handles much of the mobile optimization, you spend less time worrying about technical details and more time improving the actual user experience. Now let's talk about something everyone wants to know. How much time and money does this actually save? Let's compare the traditional route. Hiring a professional app developer can easily cost anywhere from $5,000 to $20,000 or more, depending on complexity. Learning traditional app development can require months of study before building something you're proud to share. That includes programming concepts, debugging, testing, app design, deployment, and platform-specific requirements. On the other hand, using AI-assisted tools dramatically lowers the barrier to entry. Instead of spending months learning every technical detail first, you can focus on validating your idea and creating a working prototype quickly. For many beginners, that's the difference between actually launching an app and never starting at all. But what if I'm not creative? That's completely normal. Many successful app ideas are surprisingly simple. The AI helps generate layouts, features, and suggestions. Your role is simply deciding what fits your vision. But what if I don't know which features I need? That's exactly why planning with ChatGPT first is so powerful. You can brainstorm ideas, compare features, and refine your concept before building anything. Won't my app look generic? Not at all. The AI creates a starting point. You can customize colors, layouts, branding, fonts, content, and functionality to make the app uniquely yours. Is this actually beginner-friendly? Yes. If you can describe what you want and use basic drag-and-drop tools, you can build surprisingly capable apps with modern AI-assisted platforms. What you gain? The biggest benefit isn't just saving money, it's saving momentum. Instead of spending months wondering whether your idea could work, you can test it quickly. Instead of waiting for developers, you can build. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by technical complexity, you can focus on solving real problems. And that creates opportunities. Opportunities to learn, opportunities to create, opportunities to launch something you're proud of. The most exciting part about AI isn't that it replaces creativity. It's that it removes many of the obstacles that stop people from creating in the first place. Today, an idea can become a working app faster than ever before. And the people who learn how to use these tools effectively will have a huge advantage moving forward. So, if you've been thinking about building an iPhone app, this is the perfect time to start. Check out Base44 using the link in the description and see what you can create. Then come back and tell us what app you're building in the comments. I genuinely love seeing what people create with these tools. And if you want more beginner-friendly tutorials about AI, app building, online business tools, and productivity shortcuts, make sure you're subscribed. Because in the next video, I'm going to show you how to turn a simple app idea into something people actually want to use.